Alright, one down in the geodes for Evelyn and Drake. One more to go. Let's get to it. But please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Alright, let's go. Come on, good crack. Good crack, good pop. Good crack, come on. Come on. Oh, is that... Did it actually... Did it do it? I don't think it did. Come on. Come on. Oh, it did. Okay. Oh, that was a good crack. Oh, yeah, boy. Whew. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, two good geodes. Absolutely fantastic. These are Crystal Canyon geodes. Oh, look at those. Those are great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and thank you so very much.